Hello friends, today I make videos at the new panel designing professional panel is the look OSCAM panel is the board shows this video. Check all feature is the panel. This is panel. First is the Multex CCM, Multex new command, Multex MG command, OSCAM new command. This is panel is the future is the other panel is the default. This first profile and the add reseller group, create marriage. This group and the sealant groups. Task limit, discount limits, and the group package norms, and add subslayer. Okay, manage subslayer, and the first manage and the add new server. This is the create CLAN. Okay, this is not add the OSCAM and Multex. This is name and user and password and the select server. This and the test LAN 4824 1 month no test and the credits. This is panel add no and any server. This panel I add this. This is gun functions. The add the server. Add server as if my have is this OSCAM. Add the CCCam. Okay, CCCam. This add enable the add server. The first enable and the click account. This add URL OSCAM. Okay friends, this OSCAM.php and the my change APIs. By this APIs 65.131. Sorry. एक मिनट फ्रेंड्स 1 minute friends. Oh, 1 minute friends. This is the wrong APIs. And new my APIs 65.109.131.65 and add this your server host APIs and your domain is attached. Your API domain attached is the add. Oh friends, more minutes. This APIs domain target and the this API address. My API is not targets APIs and the host. And this you are not OSCAM login port, just this the port is the new cam and CCCam port. This server port add. My have this I add CCCam ports. Okay friends, this is my OSCAM CCCam ports. I will friends name OSCAM CCCam LAN. Okay, and enable and add the save this section. Okay, The settings, the updates, enable do. Congratulations for OS cam CC cam is the ad. This is group I creates at the reseller panel. The friends and the check is the first line. Okay, add new line and the OS cam add package CC cam. There's any name, user password generate, and your choose password is the okay. And the not show, yes, not show, wait. Server is not show, wait friends. Show this group, select, and the manage group the and select no friends, this action and the enable OS cam CC cam LAN, add and the view server, no friends, as the back add enable OS cam server and the add update groups, updates group, add the check new, add LAN, manage server and the add new server and the new check CC cam OS cam, yes, new add is okay. This is the IP select and the add any user name and the generate the click. This your any CAD add, okay, provider your card installed and manage group and the reader LAN group, friends, reader groups and the reader, yes, your reader or satellite is the example and the one group friends, okay, one groups, any one groups is the your choice is the one group add, okay, or not group changes the no problem. They just create the package resellers panel and the add groups, add one groups add and the generates LAN. LAN is your reader is the ready OS cam and your OS cam quickly LAN at the add OS cam user. This LAN is not show where wait is the problem. Okay, there is problem brother, any solve and the new add the subseller, the reseller, add reseller panel, okay friends, and the name add the any your admin 67 and the password be 67, oh sorry, yes, the 67 and 67, okay, and your email address anyone says no, not your verify email NES add the go register group add and the add this user, okay friends, this add user and the successful and this is the group package add, create your group, and you have already and the add friends your package name. I package example second do this add, and the test limit is the and discount I am not have, and the enable and the friends this is add, and this also add, and click group, create group. This option this is the no discount friend, is this zero add I no discount offer, and the click you are at this okay. So here's the enable and click, and the this is package name is the add already success package, and check this any create the panel check or my apps 65 the add apps quickly and slash and the panel sorry this is little panel is the login panel, and the my new admin 67 and the password 67 at the member is login, and this is my panel login. I example as the this is at the add new server. Okay friends, add the CC cam, any name is the tab, add the your username fs and the 1234, and select the server, add server, and the test your LAN. Okay, I this test LAN, the add group 1 and the add generate click the add check dashboard CLAN, check it him yes one OSCC cam OSCam CLAN is the add, and check this LAN in the OSCam add, this OSCam add LAN is the problem, add the reader first reader add second and new cam, this is the new cam action enable and new command, add the device, add the package packages, this group is the one, enable and the LAN is the add user and the pass This okay is the add first 0. So use the 11, 12, 14, 14. Add the add option and action cache, no cache, and the add line. This is the add. This is the line connecting and the restart OSCam and the check this. This is the friends is a problem. The check refresh again. This is a problem. Check the OSCam server setting and the OSCam CCCam check. Enable is the already the OSCam same as the APIs. Enable. This is problem. Wait friend, this is video stop and this solve new action video is.